Are you also grinding your teeth at night without even realizing it? This could be a sign of stress related abrasion, and it's damaging your smile. Stress, anxiety, or even an unbalanced spine can cause you to clench or grind your teeth. And it is also known as bruxism. Over time, what happens? This leads to enamel loss, sensitivity, and even fractures. A simple yet effective solution: a custom made night guard. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing damage while you sleep. What are the other ways to manage this? Try stress reduction techniques, jaw exercises, and correcting your bite alignment if needed. If you suspect your teeth grinding, don't wait. Visit a dentist for a custom night guard and save your smile. Share with someone who might need it. Protect your smile and be stress free. Dr. Mavish signing off.